BMO World Elite Mastercard app. The pros, the cons. The BMO World Elite Mastercard promises premium rewards and travel perks, but does it really deliver enough to justify its price? Let's unpack the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. You'll earn 3 points per dollar on travel, dining, and entertainment, and 1 point on everything else. Those points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, merchandise, or even statement credits. The card also includes some impressive travel benefits: free access to airport lounges through Mastercard airport experiences, comprehensive insurance, and purchase protection on new items. You also get a generous welcome bonus, often worth hundreds in travel value. Another plus, it's widely accepted worldwide and works seamlessly for travelers who prefer Mastercard's global coverage. Now for the cons. The annual fee is on the higher side, and the lounge access is limited to a few free visits before extra charges apply. Some users also find BMO Rewards less flexible compared to other programs like Aeroplan or Avian. So what's it for? The BMO World Elite Mastercard is ideal for frequent travelers who want reliable perks, travel protection, and steady reward accumulation without juggling multiple cards. The surprising truth? If you travel at least a few times a year, this card's lounge access and insurance alone can easily pay for itself, turning an average trip into a premium experience.